Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can invite bot into your Discord server on your Discord app via, let's say, iPhone, but it will basically work on any other device. First of all, we want to go to, in this case, Safari and go to Top.gg. In this case, I picked Simple Poll because we will continue with Simple Poll later, and I'll show you how to make a poll. First of all, we just invite him. I already signed in on this one. We just have to select the server that we want to invite him to. In my case, it's my own server that I created just for this reason. Press continue and authorize. Yeah, I'm not a robot, I'm a human, and this one is already authorized. So we go back to the server and how we can check if we are successful. First of all, we pick a server on our left side. We go to top next to name, three dots. We go to settings and members. And as you can see, Simple Poll Bot is already here and ready to make some polls.